Designing day. Tighten the waist, let the hemline decide where the motion begins and the secrets reside. Towering frames that haven't been made, a private construction, a measured cascade. Not just a sketch, it's a blueprint of poise, symmetry rising above all the noise. It's the drape, it's the shift of the weight, building a world in a structural state, where the bias cut pulls, the organza gives way. Designing the movement, capturing day. Designing the movement, capturing day. Carving in cloth, the vision takes hold in every stitch that has yet to be told. The silhouette. Drifting through nebula